Greetings, today we're having a look inside the box of the Airfix 24 scale Supermarine MkIXc, the flying Dray, which you can see the barrels of the beer here. And you can see it comes with resin parts and canopy mask set. And it comes with an Airfix beer glass. Here's the canopy set. The fuselage, the wing, a one-piece wing. This is basically the engines and the propellers. All the different parts for your aircraft. These are all the different rudders. This is your basically your interior, your cockpit. Here are the resin parts and the canopy mask. Here are the instructions. Tells you all the different colors you need. This is how the kit is done. It's very detailed. Here are all the different wing parts that you look. The fuselage being attached to the wing. This is your engine, your Merlin engine. And there you are.